Hello friends, in this video I want to explain how you do this easy text marker effect in DaVinci Resolve. So let's dive into it. For this example I've put a JPEG of a text on my timeline, and now I'm going to the effects library, and in the toolbox I go to generators, grab a solid color, throw it on the second video track above my text JPEG, then stretch that out until the end. Want to have it started here. Then I'm going to make sure that my solid color is selected. I click on the inspector, open it, and here I'm going to choose a nice bright yellow color. In the settings, I'm going to the composite part, and here I lower the opacity to my liking. Once I have done that, I go to the drop down menu in the lower left corner of the viewer and click here on transform so that my transform handles are available. And what I do then is I'm going to make my selection, play around a bit with it until it's to my liking. Let's see. Yes. Turn that off. See if I can live with that one. Yes, I can. Then I go to the cropping properties. We want to have the marker emerge from left to right. So what we need is this one. We need to have this one keyframed. So what I do here at the first frame of our solid color, I go and set a keyframe, but I first set it all the way to the right. Then I set a keyframe, and then I go here, and then I put it all the way to the left. And now let's have a look. It looks already good. And of course we want to have it a little bit smoother. So what we do is we go and change the read time curve. Click here on this curve. And in the drop down menu, you can choose the crop right property. That's the one that we have altered. And what we can do here is we drag our marker over these two keyframes. So these are the keyframes that we have set. And then we click on the second of those to make a nice S-curve. And now let's have a look. Makes it more smooth. And if we want to change the duration, we also can do that from here. First, let's click somewhere here to deselect all the keyframes, and then just select the lower one because this is the second one. And if we want to have the duration a little bit longer, then we can adjust that here. And this is all there is to this simple highlighter text marker effect in DaVinci Resolve. So let's have a last look at it in full screen and have fun with it. I hope you have fun with the rest of the playlist. Thank you very much for watching. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and goodbye.